Hello and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a review of the knife that you see here. The shape of this knife, I really like the shape of this knife. Look at that clean shape. I mean, it's just nice point here, solid handle here, thick blades there, nice. I mean, it's just stealthy, and it's in its stealthy gray, its generic stealthy gray configuration. The knife I'm talking about is the Strider D.O.C, Death on Contact. That's the name of this knife. This knife is just of the Strider design. This is not an authentic Strider D.O.C. That logo is Marfione's logo, and I think he designed this knife. This is one of the best designed knives, in my opinion. So comfortable to hold. Lower hold, higher hand hold for the fine movement, lower hold here, even in the reverse grip. It's awesome. You got a thumb stop here, see? So you're holding it snug fit. Not lacking in the quality or even in the materials. Not second-rate materials, it's just the material itself. Titanium, titanium liners, higher quality screws, hardened insert so that it's hardened metal to stainless steel on the blade, not against the harder metal of the blade versus the titanium frame of the knife. It develops lock sticks, so it has that insert, so it's hard metal against hard metal that's locking. One of the best knives that I have. Maybe not the best, but my favorite, definitely. So how much does this weigh? Ounces, 0.51 pounds, 232 grams, 0.232 kilograms, and 8.1 ounces. Not that light. With this knife, you don't need it to be light because it's just there, solid there. Look at the lockup. What's the sound? Listen for the sound. See that? It's just tuck, solid. Lock up on the release, solid. Everything is working on this knife, even though it's just a copy of the original. The original is way too expensive and it's not practical for simple folks like me. You need to be super rich to get into those kind of categories of knife. And me and a whole lot of people are not. So this is not for the superhuman rich. We're just the simple guys here, so we can still enjoy knives. Although it's made in China, but China still delivers some. I don't know the licensing of this stuff, but hey, it's a knife. You know? That's a knife. It's the same knife as the original knife. It's just not licensed. Or maybe it's licensed, but I don't know. But it's there. It's a knife. Very nice. What else should I do with it? No comparison. Just this knife. Ah, cutting test. Let me get paper just for a while if I can find. Found one. Wait. Cut paper on this one. This paper. How many paper is it? So there. Okay, we got some paper to cut with a strider. D.O.C. All titanium satin finish. Oh yeah. Cutting test. Okay. It's failing it. There. It's the grain of the paper. See? This one is just zipping by. There. Sharp. Okay. Maybe when I can afford an authentic one, I'm sure you'd see it. But for now, I'm pretty happy with that knife. Who wouldn't? Nice piece of metal. Misfire. There it is. D.O.C. all titanium. And the blade on this one, I'm sure, is D2. D2 is already a very capable steel. Okay, I guess that will be it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and hopefully I get to review more knives. Better ones, not better ones, it doesn't matter as long as it's got good content, you know. And have a good day. Hope to see you guys the next time.